In the heart of Australia's cultural landscape lies a profound ritual known as Welcome to Country, a ceremonial gesture led by Indigenous elders that transcends mere protocol. It is a spiritual invocation, a moment of grounding, and a powerful acknowledgement of the First Nations peoples as the traditional custodians of the land. Far more than a formal greeting, this ceremony is a bridge between past and present, inviting all who gather to pause, reflect, and honor the enduring connection between Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander communities and their ancestral country. Performed at the beginning of public events, festivals, or gatherings, a welcome to country is delivered by an elder or a recognized traditional owner of the land on which the event takes place. With reverence and authority, they speak in English or their native language, often accompanied by song, dance, or smoke ceremonies. These elements are not decorative, they are sacred acts that cleanse the space, awaken ancestral spirits, and invite harmony among all present. The concept of country in Indigenous Australian culture is deeply spiritual. It encompasses land, water, sky, and all living beings. It is not owned in the Western sense but cared for, sung to, and remembered through stories passed down for tens of thousands of years. When an elder welcomes others to country, they are extending a gesture of trust and responsibility. It is a moment of cultural generosity, offering guests the opportunity to walk respectfully on sacred ground. For non-Indigenous Australians and international visitors, experiencing a welcome to country can be transformative. It invites reflection on history, colonization, and the resilience of Indigenous cultures. It also sets a tone of inclusivity and mutual respect, reminding us that every step we take on this land carries the weight of ancient footsteps. In a world often driven by speed and spectacle, the Welcome to Country ceremony offers stillness and depth. It is a ritual of listening, to the land, to the elders, and to the stories that shape identity and belonging. Whether performed in a bustling city square or beneath the vast skies of the outback, it is a timeless call to honor heritage, foster reconciliation, and walk forward together with humility and respect.